Heading to Europe for a big vacation? Once you're across the pond, getting a train is one of the easiest, fastest, and most scenic ways to travel. But first, you need a ticket. That's where we come in. Trainline is Europe's #1 destination for train and bus tickets. When you book your train tickets with Trainline, online or in our app, they're digital. We'll send them to you via email, or you can access them easily in the My Ticket section of the app, just a click away on the App Store. In the UK and Europe, digital tickets are the most convenient way to hop on board. No need to worry about waiting in a long line to speak to a ticket agent or trying and failing to use an old-school ticket machine in a foreign language. Your tickets will be right there on your phone. If you're the brains of the operation and booking for other people, you can forward the tickets to them straight from your email. You can also add your tickets to your phone's wallet, or if you prefer, you can print them out. Once you're at the station, each train platform will have a ticket gate or barrier. Here you'll find an area to scan your ticket. Open your ticket so the QR code or barcode is displayed, and simply place your phone or print a ticket barcode down to scan it. If there is no barcode reader, just show your ticket to station staff, who can let you through and onto your train. Bon voyage! If you need more information, our website should be just the ticket.